Model 2020 Ford Transit Custom 300 L1 2.0 Eco Limited Van Automatic Crew Cab Body, white, factory crew cab mileage, 64,003 MOT, the 26th of February 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 EcoBlue 170ps transmission, front-wheel drive automatic mechanical summary, starts perfect, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, aircon EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.